In this tutorial, we will be looking at how to join a meeting for the first time in Google Meet. In order to join a meeting, open a new browser and navigate your mouse to the Google Apps over here. Click on it and select Google Meet from this option. Now, this is the interface for Google Meet. So what you have to do is to paste the link, the meeting link over here in this box. You're going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl V to paste the meeting link and click on join. You can join the meeting with your camera and microphone, but if you don't want to join with your camera, you can just turn it off. And in case you want to join without your microphone too, you can decide to turn this off as well. What you can do is that if you are joining with your camera on, you might want to apply some visual effect. So you click on this. Over here, there is background, filters, and appearance. You can adjust your video lighting if you are using the camera. You can also adjust the framing. There are some styles that you can apply to your background as well. Over here are the filters. There are funny filters, characters, costumes, accessories that you can apply to your video. But if you are joining a professional video, I wouldn't recommend you using some of these filters, okay? Now over to background, you can take your time and go through the backgrounds. So over here with the backgrounds, there is professional background, cozy home, we have nature, the stylist, fantasy, and all that. In case you want to apply a particular background, just select it like this, and it will be applied automatically to your background for you. After you are done, then you close it, and then you join the meeting. And voila, you're here in the meeting. So over here, in case you want to turn off your camera, you use this option to turn off your camera and you are good to go. In case you want to leave the meeting, just click on this button and you are done. Then you return back to the home screen. If you are looking to learn more about Google Meet, do well to check out the next video that you see on this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again.